In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access or install Ziidi Trader App on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to be able to find or access Ziidi Trader App, you need to go ahead and install Mpesa App on your Android smartphone or iPhone. To do this, just go ahead and look for Play Store if you don't have Mpesa App. And from Play Store here, if you are on Android, search for your app using the search bar on top here, and if you can see the search bar on top, go ahead and tap on search icon. From here, search for Mpesa and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you need to go ahead and open your Mpesa app, then enter your Mpesa pin for you to be able to log into your Mpesa app. Now to access Ziidi Trader App, go ahead and scroll down and you should see we have Ziidi Trader App here and Ziidi Investment and Save App here. So these apps are inbuilt in your Mpesa app. To proceed, go ahead and choose Ziidi Trader. You can see it here. If you tap on it, now you can see Ziidi Trader App. You will be required to enter your current Mpesa pin for you to log in. Now from here, proceed to Ziidi Trader. Go ahead and choose your source of funds, whether it is from business or employed. Go ahead and choose what applies to you. So under this, if you choose the first one, we have various options such as business, investment, loans, savings, salary, and pocket money. Choose the one that applies to you and then tap on I understand the risks and I'm ready to invest. Go ahead and check on this, and now you can proceed. However, if you're employed, you can also go ahead and choose according to your source of funds. And now proceed to start trading. Then enter your Mpesa pin. And now here your Ziidi Trader account is ready for you to start trading. To begin trading, go to trading. You can also create your watch list or you can buy stock using any of these. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.